Barrister Festus Keyamo, SAN, had appeared before the Senate for screening as the last ministerial nominee submitted by President Bola Tinubu. The rowdy session ensued after the last ministerial nominee, Festus Keyamo, concluded his presentation before the Senate. Citing Section 88, subsection B of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, the senator representing Abia Central Senatorial District, Darlington, Nwokuocha, drew the attention of the Senate to an incident in the past where he alleged that the nominee ridiculed the legislature. He described Keyamo's action in the past as a disrespect for the legislature.
We need to find out, Mr. Senate President. Well, nobody is stopping him from being cleared. No.
All efforts by the Senate President, Senator Abia, to manage and save the situation failed. He thereafter called on Senator Abia to second the motion.
Very ably moved by Senator Darlington Nwokuocha that in view of Section 88 B of the 1B of the Constitution, which mandates the National Assembly to go ahead and look into the conduct of affairs.
The Senate President, Senator Abia, moved for the red chambers to resolve into an executive session. News filtered across social and conventional media that he, however, rushed to the villa. After the long break, characterized by speculations and anxiety, the Senate reconvened. Festus Keyamo's screening resumed as he apologizes to the Senate and promises to make available the 774,000 job documents. He was later asked to take a bow. Charity Tanko, ITV News.